Good morning, children. How are you all? Doing well? Doing well? Yes. Good. Tejwardhan, how are you? Fine, very good. So Rohan is there today? Very good. Varshika is also there today? Good.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, children. Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
Good morning,
Good
children.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
The other day we did about pronouns he, she, it. That was easy. Did you understand? Nurtana, did you understand pronouns? He, she, it, we.
Good morning.
Good morning,
Good
Sai.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Sai Aniket. Naveen, good morning. Good morning, children. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, children. Good morning, Madhav Mahidhar.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, children. Good morning. So Hasini, the other day we did. Hasini, I'm not able to see you. Joanna, I'm not able to see you. Switch on your video also. Shivani, everybody must switch on their video so that I can see you. Lohitaksha, switch on your video. Avyukt also. Good children. Yes.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, children. Good morning. Good morning, children. Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Bhavansh, the other day we did pronouns. Did you understand what are pronouns he, she, it?
Ma'am.
Very good. Avyukt, you understood what are pronouns he, she, it, we? When to use?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Sharmada, did you understand?
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am. Ma'am.
Yes. Hasini, tell me.
Yesterday the meeting is not connected.
Yesterday you did not come for the meeting.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Good
morning,
morning,
children.
ma'am.
Vanshika, did you understand the use, how to use the pronouns he, she,
Good
it,
morning,
we?
ma'am.
Vanshika, did you understand? Yes. Good morning, children. Shivani, switch on your video. Good morning, children. Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, children. Good
Good morning,
morning.
ma'am.
Good morning, Shailu. Good morning, Trijal. And good morning, Laileshwar. Good morning, Karinya.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Okay. Today you
Good
all are
morning,
ready for the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Ready? Very good.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So I saw Kritika. Kritika is also there. Swaranjali is there. Shailu is there. Himanshu is there. Then Vanshika, Varshika, Abhinav is there. Good. Yes, children. So, no children, I don't want you to talk. Okay. And our HM madam also is there today with us. Yes. I want everybody to be quiet. Yes. Yes, ma'am. Yes. Shall we start, children? Today's class, shall we start? Okay. Everybody ready? Okay. Put your thumbs up if you are able to see me. Are you all able to see me? Yes. Are you all able to hear me? Hear me? Yes. Very good. Okay. Now, today, we are going to do a poem, Sea Song. Okay. So, I want you all to first see one presentation, and then we are going to do the other part of it. Okay, children? Children able to see the screen? Put your thumbs up. Able to see? Very good. Now, before I start the poem today, I want you all to see the sounds of animals. Okay, children? Yes, sounds of animals. What's this? Children who... Okay. What is this, children? Are you able to hear the sound of the cat? A cat mews. A dog. Are you able to hear? Children, could you hear the sound of the animals? Yes or no? Put your thumbs up if you are able to hear. Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Dog. A dog barks. A cow. Cow mews. Cow mews. A hen. This is a hen. A hen clucks. A hen clucks. A sheep bleats. A sheep bleats. A horse nice. A horse nice. The sound of horse nice. A pig. A pig grunts. A pig grunts. Saipur madam, are you able to hear the sound of animals? I'm not able to hear. That's why I'm asking you again. A pig grunts. A donkey brays. A donkey brays. A cock crows. A cock crows. A duck quacks. A duck quacks. A goat bleats. A goat bleats. A chick cheeps. A frog croaks. A lion roars. A lion roars. A monkey chatters. A monkey chatters. A bear growls. This is a polar bear, lives in the icy region. A tiger roars. The sound of tiger roaring. Roars. Tiger roars. An elephant trumpets. An elephant trumpets. A bear growls. This is a bear. Bali. A wolf howls. A wolf howls. So, did you see the sounds of animals? Did you enjoy the sounds of animals? Yes? Could you hear the sounds of animals? The roaring of lions. Saharsh, could you hear dog barking? All that, could you hear? Yes? Ruchit, could you hear? Ruchit? Okay. So, those were the sounds of animals. Jitesh, you could hear the animal sounds?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The sounds of animals you could hear. Okay, nice. So, you enjoyed that, the sounds of animals? Yes?
Yes,
In the
ma'am.
same way, the sea also sings songs. The sea sings songs. Very beautifully it sings the songs. You want to hear how it sings? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Now we are going to see. Able to see? Able to hear? Sound of the sea? This is the sea. Now, the poem goes like this, children. I found a shell, a curly one, lying on the sand. A child is saying that he found a shell. Where did he find the shell? He found the shell on the sand. He found on the sand. And where do you find the sand? The bank of the sea. This is the sea. On the bank of the sea, you find heaps of sand. And the boy found a shell. Did you ever go to the beach, children? And did you find shells like this? Did you did you enjoy collecting shells? The same way here, the boy finds a shell, a curly one. It is curly, see, it is curly one. And he found it on the sand. Children, I picked it up and took it home, cold inside my hand. And what did the boy do? He picked the shell up in his hand and it was very cold. And where did he take it? To his home. To his home. Mummy looked at it and then she held it to my ear, and from the shell there came a song, soft and sweet and clear. The boy took the shell to his home and he showed it to his mother. And what did mother do? She kept the shell near his ear. When she kept the shell near his ear, a sweet song came from the shell. How was it? It was soft. How was the song? The song was soft, sweet, and clear. It was very, very clear song. The boy could hear. See how happy he is to hear the song from the shell. I was surprised. I listened hard, but it was really true. He was thinking how a song will come from the shell, but he could listen a song. I wish you would find a nice big shell and hear it singing too. Now the boy says, I wish you also could find a nice big shell and hear the song of the shell. Children, did you listen to the poem? What did the child find on the seashore?
Shell.
No, whomever I ask must answer, children. Okay, Ruchik, what did the child find? Ruchik, Shiloh, unmute and then answer. Bhavansh, unmute yourself and answer. Okay, Saiful, what did the child find near the sea? What did he find?
Shell.
Yes, he found a shell. He found a shell. Okay. Now, Tejvardhan, unmute yourself and tell me, what did the child do with the shell? What did the child do with the Tejvardhan? He took it to his house. He took it to his home. Yes, Tejvardhan, he took it to his home. Kritika, you unmute yourself and tell me. Unmute, Kritika. Okay, Shiloh, you tell me. Whom did he show? Whom did the boy show the shell to? Whom did he show the shell to? Shiloh. He showed the shell to somebody. Whom did he?
Mother.
To his mother. Children, I'm just coming. Just a minute. ఏదో పార్సల్ వచ్చింది, నా క్లాస్ జరుగుతుంది. I'm sorry, children. I'm sorry. And okay. So what did mother do with the shell? Varshika, what did mother do with the shell? Soumya, unmute and tell me. Yes, Swati, tell me. Soumya, You are not able to unmute yourself, children. Yes. Saiful, tell me. What did mother do with the shell? Jitesh, tell me. Jitesh, what did mother do with the...
She put it at her ear and she was hearing. And that was very soft sound.
Very good. She put the shell near the boy's ear, isn't it? Near the child's ear. And Saiful?
Yes.
Okay, Varshita, tell me. Varshita, unmute yourself and
Yes,
tell
ma'am.
me. Yes. Tell me, how was the song, Varshita? How was the song?
The song is sweet and soft.
Very good. It was sweet and soft. Isn't it, children?
And clear.
And clear. Very good. It was soft, clear, and it was soft, clear, and it was soft, clear, and sweet. Very good. Soft, clear, and sweet. Sri Harsha. Sri Harsha, tell me. Okay. Did you ever go to the beach and collect a shell? Did you say?
No, ma'am.
Did not go? Sheikh Misbah? Did you ever find a shell?
Yes.
Yes? Yes? How is the shell? Is it soft or hard? It is very
Hard.
hard. It is hard. It is not soft, children. Soft means like cotton. Is it like cotton soft? No. It is hard like stone. Isn't it, children? Now I'm going to share some more things. Now you are going to answer one by one. Okay, children? Now everybody will repeat after me. I found a shell, a curly one. Say,
I found a shell,
lying on the sand.
lying on the sand.
You just repeat after me, children. I picked it up
I picked it up
and took it home.
and took it home.
Cold inside my hand.
All inside my hand.
Mummy looked at it
Mommy looked at it
and then she held it to my ear.
She held it to my ear.
And from the shell, there came a song.
There came a song.
Soft and sweet and clear.
Soft and sweet and clear.
I was surprised.
I was surprised.
I listened hard.
I listened hard.
But it was really true.
But it was really true.
I wish you would find
I wish you would
a
find
nice big shell
a nice big shell
and hear it singing too.
and hear it singing too.
Now, sand, hand,
Sand hand.
ear,
Sand to hand. Ear to ear. True to.
two. What are these called as?
Rhyming words. Rhyming words.
These are called rhyming words. We call them as rhyming words. All of you say sand, land, hand. Ear, ear.
True.
Repeat after me. Repeat after me. Clear, clear, clear. Children,
Look,
Okay. Now repeat after me.
बोल रहे हैं
True. Found round sound. Mummy, tummy, yummy. Bold, cold, told. Took, look, took. Okay. Children, you are talking among yourself, you are talking to parents, and I'm able to hear every word of yours. You are going to just repeat after me. Now coming to opposites. Found. What do you mean by found? Yes. Lost. I found a pencil in the school playground. I lost my pencil in the class. So found opposite is lost. Found, lost. Hard. Opposite.
Easy.
There are two types, but here we are talking about the hardness of the object. The shell is hard, the shell is soft. One hard is, this question is hard, this answer is easy. That is one. Here we are talking about the texture. So hard, soft. Rock is hard. Feather is soft to touch. Rock is hard. Okay. Inside.
Outside.
Very good. Inside. Outside. Inside.
Outside.
Took. Cave. Took. Cave. To take and give. Isn't it? Take and give. Took. Past tense. Cave. Big.
Small.
Very good. Big, small or little. Okay. Very good. A big shell. A small shell.
Little.
Came.
Go.
Wait. Go. Come is go. Came is went. Came, went. Very good. True. Very good. False. True. False. Very good. Curly. Some have curly hair, isn't it? Curly. Straight. Curly. Straight. Cold.
Hot.
Very good. Cold, hot. Very good. Sweet. Unpleasant. Sweet song, unpleasant song. Sweet song, unpleasant song. Now, I'm muting everybody because you are talking to yourself. Children, if you are talking to your parents also, I'm able to hear the whole class is disturbed. I don't want you to talk, children. Now, Sai Aniket. Sai Aniket, tell me, where did the child find the seashell? Where did the child find the seashell? Where did he find?
Sand.
Huh?
Sand.
On the sand. Very good. On the sand. Okay, on the sand. So, the child found the shell on the sand bed near the seashore. He found the shell on the sand near the seashore. Okay. Now, what did the child do with the shell? What did the child do with the shell?
He took the shell and go to his home.
Very good, very good. The child picked up the shell and took it home to show to his Mother.
Mother.
Yes.
Mother.
Very good.
Putting.
What did mummy do with the shell?
The mother took the shell and keep it to near
The child near the ear. Very good.
shell.
Mummy looked at the shell and held it
The shell and held
to the child's ear. Very good. Okay. Now next question.
Ma'am, N-O-D.
Shiloh, answer. What did the child hear?
The child hears the beat and soft and clear sound.
Very good. The child heard a soft, sweet, and a clear song from the shell. Okay. Okay. Now, raise your hand. Somebody is talking. Who is that talking? Mummy, mummy, and mummy. What do we learn? What do we learn from the poem Sea Song? What do we learn from the poem Sea Song? Do we learn anything from this poem?
Rhyming words.
Okay, we learn. But what is the lesson we learn from Sea Song? Yes? Okay. We learn that there are wonderful animals in the sea. Animals in the sea, polluting the water kills them. Yes? There are so many animals in the sea. Yes? There are so many animals in the sea. And by putting all the waste in the water, what we are doing? We are killing the animals. Do you know that in the shell also there lives an animal?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
If you take the shell near your ear, you can hear the ocean.
Yeah, the sound. Yes, we can hear the sound. Very good. But in the shell there will be an animal living in it. Once the animal dies, what happens? The shell comes to the seashore. Okay. In that shell also there will be animal. The shell will be protecting the animal from the other animals. Okay.
Nail.
You must have seen, yes, snail, tortoise, isn't it? All these animals. Yes.
Crab.
Very good, crab. Crab. Now, very good.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Now,
okay. Now all of you please listen. These are the different kinds of shells. These are the different kinds of.
Ma'am.
Now these are the different kinds of shells you find. See, in the shell, see, this is the animal. Able to see? This is the animal. And this is a snail. It also has a shell. And this, you know, we can blow air into it and it produces sound. Isn't it, children? So, what is a shell? Shell is hard protective outer layer created by an animal that lives in the sea. Generally, all the sea animals, some of the sea animals have shells, like crab you have. Okay. The shell is a part of the body of the animal. The animal which lives in the sea, the part of the body is shell. Empty seashells are often found washed up to the beaches. On the beach, we find empty seashells, and it doesn't have animals in it. The shells are empty because the animal has died and the soft parts have been eaten by other animals or have been decomposed. And these shells can be used as pendants, lockets, you must have seen. Making beads, other beads are made, and also decorative items. seashells have been used as musical instruments. See, this is one of the musical instrument it is used. Now, did you all understand the poem Seashell, the sea song? Apurva? Yes? Unmute yourself. Yes. So, what was the unmute, children? Apurva, twins. Unmute. Yes, Apurva. So, what was the poem about? Quickly, you tell me, Apurva. The poem was about what? Seashell. Very good. Seashell. Okay, Tejvardhan. Tejvardhan, unmute yourself. Okay. Now tell me, Tejvardhan, did the boy enjoy the sound of the shell?
Yes, ma'am.
And how was the song of this coming out from the shell? How was the song?
Soft and sweet.
Very good. Varshika. Varshika, unmute yourself. Chandrika, unmute yourself. Madhav, unmute yourself. Madhav Mahidhar, yeah? Yes. Now, what lives in the shell? What kind? What lives in the shell? Madhav.
Song.
What song? Song lives in the shell. What lives? What lives? Chandrika? What lives in the shell? Animal. Animal lives, isn't it? Now, how is it you're able to find the shells on the shore? You're able to find, isn't it? Varshita?
Ma'am, crab.
Yes, all, yes, they are there. But how does it come to the seashore? Sai Aniket. On the shore it comes, isn't it? How does it come? Saiful or Avyukt, can you tell me? You find shells on the, I told you the shells are there, the covering of the animals or the covering of the animals we find this shell, isn't it? Now how is it we find the shells on the seashore? How does it come to the seashore?
They die.
Yes, very good. The animals die. The animals die and it comes. Yes, tell me, Avyukt.
Krishna blowed that shell in Kshetravar.
Yes, very good, very good, very good. So it is used as musical instruments we have done, no, isn't it? Now, how does it come? When the animals die, the shells come on to the shore, isn't it, children? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So, and what do we learn? We have learned something from the poem Sea Song. Sea Song. What did we learn? What did we learn, Varshita? Did we learn anything? Did we learn anything from the... Yes? What did we learn?
Rhyming words.
Okay, we have learned rhyming words today. But what is the lesson we have learned?
Kill animals.
What is the lesson we have learned?
About the shell.
Benedict, what did we learn from the
Keep
poem?
the sea clean.
Song, ma'am.
Yes?
We should not kill them.
We should not pollute the water.
We should not pollute the sea.
We should not pollute the sea because animals live in the sea and they will be killed by polluting the water. And we cannot hear the beautiful songs, isn't it, Shiloh? Can we hear then the beautiful songs of the sea? We cannot hear. So what we should do? We should keep the water clean so that we can hear the song of sea, isn't it, children?
Yes.
Yes. Did
But
you all?
the shell